Hello orchid lovers. Even weak, stunted orchid parts that seem impossible to save can still be revived brilliantly. Today I will share with you an extremely effective way to revive orchids, helping orchids grow many green leaves and flowers all year round, with only simple ingredients that everyone has in their home. Let's get started. This is a cloned orchid, but its growth is weak, its stem is stunted and most of its roots are dry. To restore the plant, it is necessary to start treating the root system, the living foundation of the orchid, by removing the entire old substrate to check the root system. The growing medium is dry and airy, showing no signs of mold or waterlogging but has been invaded by millipedes. Millipedes are insects that often bite and destroy orchid roots, creating open wounds that make the plant susceptible to bacterial and fungal infections. Inspect the entire root system surrounding the growing medium. Identify damaged or rotten roots and cleanly remove them to prevent spread and allow healthy roots to grow. Roots that have dried out and completely lost their ability to absorb water and nutrients need to be cut off decisively, helping the plant focus on nurturing the remaining healthy roots. If you are not subscribed yet, please hit the like button and subscribe button to support me and never miss any orchid care tips. It's great to have you along on this journey. After removing dry and diseased roots, we proceed to disinfect the entire substrate and roots. I use 1 liter of clean water to mix into an antibacterial solution. Using baking soda to effectively fight bacteria and inhibit mold helps protect orchid roots and leaves, while maintaining a clean, safe growing environment for plants to grow. Use 1 teaspoon of baking soda in the correct dosage, ensuring sufficient cleaning and antibacterial ability without negatively affecting the plant. Dissolve completely in clean water before cleaning the plant. Use a plastic cup that is the right size for the plant, and pour in enough water to cover the roots. Soak the entire orchid root system in a disinfectant solution to completely remove mold on the roots, while stimulating the formation of new roots. And soak for 20 minutes. To prepare fertilizer for orchids, I use breadcrumbs, an ingredient easily found in most households, rich in nutrients and useful for plant growth. Use a spoonful of breadcrumbs in a container. Then add 1 liter of hot water. The high temperature of the water will support the optimal extraction of nutrients from the breadcrumbs, converting them into liquid fertilizer that is easily absorbed by orchids. Stir the mixture well so that the nutrients in the breadcrumbs, including vitamins, potassium and phosphorus, are completely dissolved, creating an abundant source of nutrition for the orchid. Then, incubate the mixture in a towel and wait until the water cools for optimal use. While waiting for the plant to finish soaking, we can clean the plant. During this process, a second millipede was discovered, thanks to the baking soda solution, which has antibacterial, antifungal and insect-preventing effects. The millipede was stimulated to leave the roots. Next, completely remove this individual to protect the orchid. Use a soft cotton pad soaked in cinnamon water and gently wipe the top and underside of the leaves. This method helps remove harmful fungi and insects from the plant. This method also cleans the leaves, allowing them to photosynthesize more efficiently, which improves the overall nutrient metabolism of the plant. From which country are you watching this video? Leave a comment to let me know. It's great that we can connect and chat with each other from all over the world. And continue to soak until 20 minutes are up. After 20 minutes of soaking the orchid in the baking soda solution, remove the plant and prepare for the next step. The entire root has been disinfected and protected from insect infestation. If you look closely, you can see insect bites under the leaves if left untreated. These injuries will seriously damage the health and growth of the plant. The remaining baking soda solution will be used to clean the entire pine bark substrate before planting to completely remove potential mold, bacteria, and insects, ensuring a clean and safe environment for orchid growth. Soak the substrate for 30 minutes. After about 1 hour, when the water has cooled and all the nutrients have been dissolved, I filter out the residue, keeping the essence solution to use as fertilizer to provide direct nutrition to the orchid. Stir the solution well to ensure the nutrients are completely dissolved before filtering. Thus, we have obtained a source of nutrient-rich fertilizer ready to provide to orchids to promote healthy growth and development. After 30 minutes of soaking the growing medium in baking soda solution to remove mold and bacteria, I will proceed to plant the orchid in the growing medium. Use a larger pot, designed with ventilation holes to help drain water effectively when watering, while creating an ideal aerated environment for healthy orchid root growth. Place a layer of large pine bark at the bottom of the pot to increase ventilation and drainage. Then place the orchid in the center of the pot to ensure balance and optimal growing conditions. Use your hands to gently pat around the edge of the pot so that the pine bark substrate is evenly filled into the gaps, helping the root system to stabilize and have good contact with the growing environment. After covering the pine bark substrate, I will cover the surface of the substrate at the mouth of the pot with a thin layer of fine moss to maintain stable humidity, while creating ideal conditions for young roots to grow healthily. In addition to the English subtitles, you can use the automatic translation to your language to understand the content more easily. To subtitle in your language, open the video and click on the gear icon settings in the automatic translation to select your preferred language. Use a nutrient solution made from breadcrumbs to water directly into the orchid's base and roots. This source of nutrition not only stimulates the formation of new roots but also helps the root system absorb nutrients to the maximum, promoting healthy and sustainable plant growth. To stimulate the strong growth of young shoots, maintain the glossy green color of the leaves and promote the formation of flower buds, soak the orchid pot in this nutrient mixture for about 20 minutes to optimize absorption and achieve the highest care efficiency. After 20 minutes of soaking, gently lift the orchid pot out and place the plant in a cool, soft light location. This is the ideal time for the plant to photosynthesize effectively, restore vitality, and continue to grow steadily. With the remaining nutrients, I will use them to lightly mist all the orchids in the garden, helping to add nutrients directly through the leaves, supporting healthy plants and even growth. Then spray the solution all over the orchid to remove mold and any pests that may be clinging to the plant. This method also stimulates the plant's natural resistance, helping it grow healthier and better resist disease. With this type of nutrient, we should water regularly about 2 times per month to supplement essential nutrients, promote growth, stimulate strong root development, and help orchid leaves and flowers stay shiny, beautiful, and long-lasting. We can also water nutrients directly into the roots, helping the orchid to absorb nutrients quickly and maximally, thereby promoting healthy roots and sustainable growth of the entire plant. After watering, place the orchid in a cool place with light diffused light to help the plant recover quickly, promote healthy growth and development. After only 3 weeks of care, from a small weak orchid pot with many withered roots, the plant has now sprouted new life, sprouting many healthy white roots and energetic young shoots. It can be seen that the root system has developed strongly, deeply, and widely, helping the plant absorb nutrients and water optimally. The leaves maintain a fresh green color and a shiny surface, clearly reflecting the vitality and stable nutritional state of the orchid. Continue to provide the plant with 500 milliliters of nutrient solution from breadcrumbs, ensuring the necessary source of minerals and vitamins is supplemented, supporting the plant to maintain stable growth and development. We will apply the misting method. Mist covers the entire stem and leaves, helping the plant absorb nutrients evenly, while maintaining ideal humidity for orchid growth. After completing the misting step, we proceed to water the nutrient solution directly into the roots, helping the root system to absorb maximum nutrients, thereby promoting the orchid to grow quickly, healthily, and stably. After watering, remove the pot containing the reserved water to avoid prolonged flooding and humidity. After completing watering, use a clean cotton towel to gently wipe the entire leaf surface, from the leaf axils to the tips, to help remove dirt, impurities, and harmful microorganisms, while creating conditions for optimal photosynthesis and maintaining natural shine. The result after 3 months of proper care is that the leaves of the tree are larger, greener, and more glossy. The root system of the tree has grown strongly and created many new roots. These roots will continue to spread and cling to the growing environment, creating a solid foundation to help the tree grow rapidly. Considered the heart of the orchid because they are the first part to absorb water and nutrients from the environment, such as fertilizer and humidity in the growing environment, to help maintain the entire plant. If the roots are weak or damaged, the plant will lack nutrients, leading to yellow leaves and rotten tips. Continue to provide nutrients regularly and take care of them properly. After about a month, the orchid will respond to your efforts with its first flowers, blooming brightly and full of vitality. What do you think about how I revived this orchid? Feel free to leave a comment and share your thoughts. I would love to hear your feedback and experiences. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss out on future tips on how to care for orchids naturally and easily.